Have you ever wished you could speak English easily all day long? Do you want to understand and use real English from the moment you wake up until you go to sleep? Imagine starting your day with confidence, talking about your morning, your work, your family, and your dreams, all in English. Today, I will help you do exactly that. The sentences you learn today are not just for practice. They are for your real life. Make a small note of these sentences. Try to use them in your own daily routine. Even for just half a day, you will be surprised how many sentences you remember and how quickly your English starts to improve. You do not need perfect grammar. You do not need a big vocabulary. You just need to listen, repeat, and enjoy the journey. Are you ready to make English a natural part of your life? Let's begin this new day together. Welcome to the Unlock English podcast. I'm Alex, your English coach and your friend on this journey. If you want to speak real English with confidence, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Today, we will use a special method called shadowing. Shadowing means you listen to my voice and repeat after me, just like your shadow follows you everywhere. This is the secret to speaking English naturally. Your brain and your mouth will learn to work together. Don't worry if you make mistakes. Every time you try, you are getting better. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes. The most important thing is to practice, enjoy, and keep going. Are you ready to make English a natural part of your life? Let's speak slowly and clearly. You can pause and repeat as many times as you want. After every few sentences, I will share a tip, a question, or a little motivation to help you stay excited and confident. Are you ready? Take a deep breath, smile, and let's start your English day together. Good morning. I am waking up. I open my eyes slowly. I feel sleepy. I stretch my arms. I take a deep breath. I sit up on my bed. I smile for a new day. I thank God for today. I get out of bed. Great start! Every new day is a new chance to practice English. I make my bed neat. I fold my blanket. I open the window. I feel the fresh air. I look outside. Take a moment. Can you see the sun or hear the birds? Imagine it as you say the words. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. You are doing great. Remember, these are real sentences for your real life. I look in the mirror. I smile at myself. I take a shower. I use soap and water. I dry my body with a towel. Pause for a second. How do you feel? Fresh and ready for the day? I comb my hair. I put on clean clothes. I feel fresh and ready. I spray some perfume. I go to the kitchen. Excellent. You are building your English step by step. I turn on the light. I boil some water. I make a cup of tea. I prepare my breakfast. I eat my breakfast slowly. Enjoy your food and your English practice. I enjoy my food. I drink a glass of water. I check my phone. I read some messages. I reply to my friends. Try saying one of these sentences out loud during your real morning tomorrow. I pack my bag. I put my things inside. I wear my watch. I wear my shoes. I say goodbye to my family. You are almost ready to start your day. You are doing amazing. I leave the house. I lock the door. I walk to the bus stop. I see people on the street. I wait for the bus. Take a deep breath. You are practicing real English for real life. The bus is coming. I get on the bus. I find a seat. I look out the window. I see the morning sky. I feel happy and ready for the day. Fantastic work! You have finished your morning routine in English. Remember, you can repeat this section every morning to get even better. It's afternoon now. I finish my work. I feel a little tired. I stretch my arms. I stand up from my chair. Great job! Remember, taking a short break helps your mind and your English. I take a short walk. I drink some water. I eat my lunch. I enjoy my meal. The food tastes good. Pause and think. What did you eat for lunch today? Try saying it in English. I talk with my friends. We laugh together. I check my phone. I read some messages. I reply to my family. You are not just learning words, you are learning to connect with people in English. I feel relaxed. I go back to work. I open my computer. I read some emails. I write a message. If you use English at work or school, try using one of these sentences in real life. I make a phone call. I talk politely. I finish my tasks. I check the time. It's almost evening. Well done! You are building your English routine, one sentence at a time. I close my computer. I pack my things. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I leave the office. I walk to the bus stop. Take a moment. How do you feel after a busy day? Try to say it in English. The weather feels nice. I see people walking home. I get on the bus. I find a seat near the window. I look outside. Look around you right now. What do you see? Describe it in English, even if it's simple. The sky looks beautiful. I listen to music. I feel peaceful. The bus stops near my home. I get off the bus. You are almost home. You are doing amazing. Keep going. I walk to my house. I open the door. I take off my shoes. I put down my bag. I wash my hands. Use these sentences as you do your real routine. It will help you remember them. I go to the living room. I sit on the sofa. I drink a glass of water. I relax for a while. I talk with my family. You are not just practicing English, you are making it part of your life. We share about our day. I smile and feel happy. It's evening now. I go to the kitchen. I start to make dinner. I cut some vegetables. I cook some rice. Great job! Cooking and speaking English at the same time is wonderful practice. I fry some eggs. The food smells good. I set the table. I call my family for dinner. We sit together to eat. Pause and think. Who do you eat dinner with? Try saying their names in English. We talk while eating. I enjoy my dinner. The food tastes nice. I drink a glass of water. I finish my meal. You are doing amazing. Every sentence you say is building your English confidence. I help to clean the table. I wash the dishes. I wipe my hands. I go to my room. I change my clothes. Take a moment. What do you like to watch before bed? Try saying it in English. I smile while watching. I turn off my phone. I take a book to read. I read a few pages. I feel sleepy. You are almost ready for a good night's sleep. Well done. I write my diary. I think about my day. I feel thankful. I plan for tomorrow. I check the time. Before you sleep, say one thing you are thankful for in English. It's time to sleep. I turn off the lights. I lie down on my bed. I pull up my blanket. I close my eyes. Take a deep breath. You did great today. I take a deep breath. I feel calm and quiet. I hear the night sounds. I say goodnight to my family. I whisper goodnight. You are ending your day with English. That's real progress. I relax my body. I think of happy things. I fall asleep slowly. I dream sweet dreams. I sleep well all night. The night is peaceful. I rest for a new day. Fantastic work! You have finished your night routine in English. Remember, you can repeat this section every night to get even better. Today, you practiced English for your whole day, from morning to night. You listened, repeated, and used the shadowing method to improve your English. Remember, you can come back to this episode and practice every day. The more you repeat, the more confident you will feel. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to the Unlock English podcast, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Tell us, what is your favorite part of your day? Keep practicing, and you will speak English with confidence. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.